for me, because I don't think any of y'all are gonna say I don't have an accent. All right, new me, I'm doing it. Let's go. I've got my computer here. Number 1, name and username. My name is Erica, and Time to Shrink is my username here on YouTube, and Time to Shrink _ Erica on Instagram. Number 2, where are you from? I am from South Carolina. Number 3, say these words to see if you have an accent. Aunt, like Aunt Bev. Aunt. Some people say aunt, I know. I say aunt. Roof. The roof. The roof is on fire. Route, like Route 52. Salmon. Salmon, like the fish that you eat. Caramel. I love caramel. I need to make some keto caramel. It sounds really yummy. Fire. I think I definitely say a little bit of an accent with fire. I love to have a fire in the fireplace. Water. Drinking my water is a chore these days, but I'm getting it done. Boat. I love to be out on the boat. We have a lake here and we have a boat, and it is my favorite thing to do in the summer. My favorite thing to do locally in the summer. The beach is always the winter. Again. Do it again. New Orleans. I have never been to New Orleans. New Orleans. Pajamas. Pajamas. Doorknob. I don't know, that's just a regular word. Doorknob. Pecan. Pecan pie. Data. Like computer data. Schedule. What is your schedule this week? I feel like I'm like reading off words for a spelling test with my kids. Coupon. Coupon. How do you say that? Coupon. I like to use coupons, but I don't take the time anymore. I should get back into the habit of using coupons. Wash. Wash these clothes. Pasta. I don't eat pasta anymore. Number 4, what is it called when you toss toilet paper at someone's house? TPing it. What is the bubbly carbonated drink called? Coke. In the South, every kind of drink, every kind of carbonated drink is Coke. What kind of Coke would you like? It could be a Diet Coke, it could be a Coke, it could be a Pepsi, it could be a Mountain Dew. We say Coke. What do you call your grandparents? I call my grandparents Papa and, well, they've passed, but Papa and Grandma. My parents were from the North, and that's what we called them. My kids call my dad Papa and my mom Mimi. What do you call gym shoes? Tennis shoes? What do you call the thing in the store that you put your groceries in? A buggy. What's the thing called that you change TV channels with? A remote? Is there another name for that? Do you think you have an accent? Yeah, I have an accent. I know I do. I'm Southern and proud. 11, say 3 things of your choice for people to see if you have an accent. Hey. Like, do you say hi, hello, whatever? I say hey. Hey. Hey y'all, you know that's how I always start all my videos. Hey y'all. When I count, my cousins in the North always wanted me to count to 10. They thought it was hilarious the way I count. And I used to have much more of an accent than I do. When I was a kid, I had a huge accent. Anyways, counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They loved when I said 5. That's all I can think of right now. But this was a fun one, new me. This was a fun one, newbie. Oh, this was a fun one, new me. I'm glad that you tagged me in it. Sorry it took me a little while to get it done, but I enjoyed doing it. And I really enjoyed watching yours and the other people that you had tagged. Merry Christmas.